What are N-Glycans? So, what are N-Glycans and why are they so important in biology? Well, N-Glycans are these complex carbohydrate structures that are actually attached to proteins through the nitrogen atom of asparagine residues. This relationship between N-Glycan structure and biological significance is, honestly, central to how proteins fold, traffic, and function in living systems. N-Glycan structure and biosynthesis. To understand N-Glycan structure and biological significance, it definitely helps to look at how they are formed. N-Glycan biosynthesis begins in the endoplasmic reticulum, where a precursor oligosaccharide is assembled and transferred en bloc onto a nascent protein. The structure is then trimmed and remodeled in the Golgi apparatus, generating high-mannose, hybrid, and complex N-Glycans. N-Glycan structure and biological significance in function. The N-Glycan structure and biological significance become even clearer when we examine function. N-Glycans affect protein stability, receptor binding, molecular recognition, and cell-cell communication. They also shape interactions with lectins and influence immune signaling, membrane organization, and glycoprotein lifetime. Even small structural changes in branching, fucosylation, or sialylation can, honestly, lead to major differences in biological performance. N-Glycan structure and biological significance in research. In research and biopharmaceutical development, N-Glycan structure and biological significance are major areas of focus. Scientists analyze N-Glycan profiles to study glycoprotein heterogeneity, optimize expression systems, and understand structure-function relationships. Advanced tools such as mass spectrometry, chromatography, enzymatic digestion, and glycan labeling make detailed characterization possible and support deeper insight into glycoscience. N-Glycans Solutions with BOC Sciences. At BOC Sciences, we support N-Glycan structure and biological significance research with specialized N-Glycans products and tailored services. From glycan standards and carbohydrate-related materials to custom synthesis, analytical support, and project-specific glycoscience solutions, BOC Sciences helps researchers move from structural questions to practical answers. Explore customized support designed for your N-Glycans research goals.